Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture, and I'm working today on a new technique, and I want to show you all at the same time. I'm using this rectangular backing sheet to the welcome that I'm going to use as a mask, and I put a temporary tape on the back. You just see me using my hands, kind of trying to eyeball it, getting it centered in there. Of course, you can measure if you want. That's just not the way I usually do things. Now I'm going to use this great big transfer, the Modern Floral, and this is going to be the background. So I'm going to place this after I fuzz it real good, because there's a lot of detail on there, a lot of netting, and you don't want it to stretch out. And it makes it a little easier to handle. Now I'm going to place this over it, and of course you want to smooth out all of it. You don't want any bubbles left in it. So you want to get a good seal with no bubbles so you can get a good chalk print when you're all done. Now this is hopefully what the masking part is. The rectangle is going to keep it from having anything chalked on it. And here's my tools, my big handle squeegee, the angle squeegee, and two pastes. There's the shimmer gold that I'm putting on now, and bright white. That's gonna have, I'm gonna use that for the welcome. So now this process, it really is easy. I have found that this shimmer gold paste, you have a little bit more drying time than you do the regular paste, which is nice. So for big surfaces, you really don't have to worry too much. I mean, you still got to put it on fairly quickly. You don't want it to dry on the transfer. But you just want to make sure you get everything covered and then scrape off the extra. And then just pull it off. And now let's take the masking off and see what we have. Ugh. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so now take your welcome or whatever you want to put in there. And I'm using the bright white. And again, you just put the chalk paste on, squeegee it on, squeegee it off. And wonderful results. A lot of these transfers are made to be distressed looking, and I love it. Look at the detail in that background too. I mean, it's awesome. Now I thought it needed a little something, so I put a flower up there. That's all your choice, you know, customize it any way you want. And it's done. So you think that's a technique you would like to try? Well, if you'd like to look at it a little bit more, just go to my website, couture.com/Cherie Criswell. When you're there, you can browse, shop, join, or start our monthly subscription. Bye.